icicles in your mouth.
This guy's underrated back. He's one of the best backs in the league. Frank Gore, he goes 79 yards, almost gets caught. 26 yards, on 11 attempts. Hey guys, what did they do in the second half? He's 8 yards and a touchdown pass. It doesn't go out. Second week in a row, no touchdowns.
Nora, you're so silly.
Harassed often by the blitz, as you can see right here. Let's hear from Coach Bell.
I think everybody played hard. No, I think that, we had our, we had our moments.
Are you gonna go to Aaron?
Make sure you tip your waitress. Try the veal.
It starts with me and involves everybody that would, goes for everybody that was involved in the game.
Find something else to put in my mouth.
Is that ball not as fun?
Good enough, John. That's all there is to it.
You know what? This is a huge win for this team. And we
Hi.
things at halftime, just open things up and really came out to play within ourselves and have a great half. There's still a lot of mistakes to clean
She's
up.
like, ah. Nora, are you wearing your monkey pants? Oh, that Mike Mulligan.
Mike Mulligan and Marianne, the steam shovel.
Oh. There's Nora. With it. Oh, you dropped your purple ball. Ooh, so many balls. Which one do you choose?
Gonna pay for that statement, I promise you. No one's ever been kicked out of a competition.
She's like, I'm gonna go for this one.
Until now. New Survivor Thursday, only CBS.
Now she's looking at Perry.
I wasn't staring at her. Like, I looked down and she was looking at me.
You made a face.
Hey,
I didn't
hey,
face
where are
that
you
first, I
coming?
looked at
No. Where are you going?
Get it.
Where are you going? Nora, when did you become... did you just stand up?
Yes.
Did you just stand up?
You got it on video.
All by yourself? You just stood up. You're so proud of yourself. Oh, Miss Nora, I can't take a video in? Yeah, all right. Where are you? Say goodbye. Are you waving? Are you waving? Whoops. Bye-bye, Nora.
I messed up her balance.